Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Zoom step by step clearly. To register with Zoom, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in zoom.us and press enter. Once the Zoom homepage loads, locate the Sign Up, It's Free button in the top right corner. Click on the Sign Up, It's Free button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type your email address into the designated field. After entering your email, click the Sign Up button. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from Zoom. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided within it. You will be redirected to a new page on the Zoom website. On this page, fill in your first and last name in the respective fields. Next, create a secure password. Re-enter your password to confirm it. Once you have filled out this information, click the Continue button. You will then be prompted to invite colleagues to join Zoom. You can skip this step by clicking on Skip this step if you prefer. After this, you may be asked to select the type of account. Choose the account type that best fits your needs, whether it's for personal or professional use. Once selected, click the Continue button. You are now registered with Zoom. You can log in with your email and the password you created. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features available to you. Congratulations, you are now ready to start using Zoom for your meetings and webinars. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.